Hello dear students, today we are solving question number 21 of the PUMDET 2023. In ADS model, the level of aggregate demand can influence the level of output. So in the ADS, aggregate demand and aggregate supply, the level of aggregate demand can influence the level of output. So if and only if B is the correct answer, it's not invariant with the changes in the price level. ADS model is what? AD represents the total demand of the goods, and AS is the total supply of the goods and services at the given price level. So changes in the aggregate demand can influence the level of output, especially if the aggregate supply is not invariant, that it doesn't remain constant. So therefore the correct option is B. Next is 22. At current prices, the fixed capital formation in a public sector increased by 23.5% from 6.5 lakh to 7.9 lakh. And 0.8% of these two, and 2012-14, so the government expenditure in these two approximately. So a lot of given data. So the total fixed capital formation, total, let me just clear it up, fixed K formation is like 7.9, 8.6 and 14.3. So this is 31.8 lakh crore. So the gross fixed capital formation is a part of the GDP. So we need to find the ratio of the total gross fixed capital formation to the GDP. So the GDP equal to 25 by 100. So 127.2 lakh crore. So the government expenditure is a part of the GDP. To find the government expenditure, now the government expenditure is a part of the GDP. So find the government expenditure, we'll use the increase in public sector fixed capital formation, that is 7.9 minus 6.4, that is 1.5 lakh crore. So as a public sector enterprise, 1.5 lakh crore, this is like 15% of it. So this thing will be the answer.